If you own a Lotos plasma cutter, the right replacement cord makes all the difference. Designed specifically for models like the LT5000D, LTP5000D, CT520D, and LTPDC2000D, this 19-inch cord offers a precise fit and dependable connection every time. With a total length of 19 inches and a 13-inch cord reach, it balances compactness and flexibility for your workspace. What sets this cord apart is its tailored input and output specifications. It uses the SL631, L630, plug rated at 250 volts and 30 amps, connecting seamlessly to your plasma cutter's SP056 output. This ensures stable power delivery within a voltage limit of 600 volts and a temperature limit of 60 degrees Celsius, keeping your setup safe and efficient. Weighing just 0.7 pounds, this replacement cord is easy to handle and install. It's built exclusively for Lotos plasma cutters, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. If your model is on the list, LT5000D, LTP5000D, LTP5500D, CT520D, or LTPDC2000D, this cord is a straightforward solution to keep your cutter running smoothly. However, it's important to note a key limitation. While the cord works perfectly with your plasma cutter, using a lower voltage source can restrict your cutting depth and reduce the duty cycle. Many users recommend sticking with a 220-volt power supply to get the full performance out of your machine without compromise. Plugging this cord in is simple, and it functions as expected, maintaining a consistent connection. But if your setup runs on lower voltage, you might notice a drop in cutting efficiency. That's why understanding your power source and the cord specifications matters when aiming for clean, deep cuts and longer operational periods. In summary, this Lotos plasma cutter replacement cord is a reliable, lightweight accessory designed to fit specific models. It offers safety with voltage and temperature limits, plus easy installation. Just remember, for the best results, pair it with a 220-volt supply to avoid limiting your cutter's capabilities. If you're looking to maintain or upgrade your Lotos plasma cutter, this cord is worth a look. It keeps your equipment connected and ready for action without fuss. Try it when you're ready to restore your cutter's performance with a product built to match your machine's needs.